guys, you're back. He's live on Apollox main official Telegram group. So you want to check out. There are lots of campaigns that are ongoing here. So they currently have this activity program. Talks about being an active user. So all you need to do is just to be an active user on the social platform on Telegram. Yeah, they also have one for Discord. So right here you'll be able to see lots of updates. So you can also check out the Apollox token price. You can also decide to make a purchase. I think the DEEP is averting lots of these tokens. Currently at 0.05. It was about 0.1 some weeks back. $0.1 some weeks back. So right here you'll be able to see okay. So Jude Canans says had a restful night and I've busted energy who wants to play. Please don't spam talking relevant topics related to Apollox. So that's it. You can see what you're supposed to do when you want to participate on this platform. You need to be conscious of the chat you have. That's just the major requirement, so you don't get strikes. Good morning, anyone. So welcome to Apollox. Feel free to ask any questions relevant to Apollox. Do we move to the moon? Okay. So this is just basically how it works. So you just need to be mindful. Alright, here we've not done more, but we've tested out the system. So group has one Taylor Lincoln 1/3. So Taylor Lincoln, if you okay, it says here, dear explorers, do note that messages and repeated spams that do not contribute to the community discussions will be deleted and XP may be removed without prior warning. So those are some of the things. Sometimes it's good, super awkward. I don't know what to say. If you okay, projects, opinion, any advice, okay. Thank you. I want to what I have to speak alone. Okay. So you should just be aware of there are loads of updates that you can get from here, benefits, and you want to try and stay safe so you don't get strikes. When you get strikes, you won't be able to participate in these giveaways, and you might have your account blocked. Seems Put replied me. Okay. So if you need any questions as regards the Apollox platform, you're going to get it here. So guys, feel free to like and community moderator. Okay, so I think that's it. So guys, peace out. It's your boy Keys, and thanks for watching. So I'm going to also check out my statistics to see what we have here. So I just sent this. So like is here, we are on level 101, still on novice. So guys, that's it. Stay tuned. One love.